Hello gardening friends. I wanted to share with you what I'm doing. I bought grow lights. So I've been growing food for about 5 years and I've never had grow lights, but my goal is to not buy starts from the store anymore, and for the most part I can start stuff inside without a light. I did use my teaching lights this year to start my tomatoes, but I got some grow lights from Hidden Harvest Grow Lights. Thank you, Brad. I'll link his channel below if you want to up your gardening game and get some grow lights. I'm doing an experiment, you guys. Of course, you know I have to experiment. So I have these plants started under the light. And I have the same plants planted on the same day in the same pots in the same soil outside on my table in the shade. And I put some in the ground as well. So my problem with brassicas, broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, which I couldn't find my cauliflower seeds. I'm really sad about that. My problem is it's too hot right now to start them, so I couldn't get them growing. And when I tried them inside, they just got really leggy going towards the window. So I love growing broccoli and brassicas in the winter because I can grow them like all winter here, but I don't want to buy them from a store. So closing my own circle, I invested in grow lights. But I want to experiment and see what grows the best. So I started broccoli, kohlrabi, not cauliflower, kale, Brussels sprouts, pink, red and green, not pink. I started some more cucumbers. I started another zucchini. I started some kale and some lavender and some beets. And all of that, like I said, is also started outside. So we'll see what does better. Let me know in the comments if you think the indoor starts are going to do better or the outdoor. I may end up having to bring the outdoor ones in, but I want to see which one germinated faster. And I'm all about the experiments. So I also really recommend using this when your seeds are starting so that you can just spritz the top and keep them moist. So let me know in the comments which one you think will do best, and I'll keep you posted. All right, see you in the next one. Bye.